Okay, we are going to use here how to import the data from a text file or from CSV like CSV or JSON. So first we want to install our Django import export, and before that we want to go to I have one working environment work on sample. Okay, I have here working sample here. Now first we want to go to import export Django import export link from here, then we want to install this one. Okay, first next then you can see the link for installation. We just copy this one and paste here, and there's okay, we have installed that one. Then we want to go to settings. Okay, before that we have advanced Python DB here, and I will show you from my MySQL PHP my admin. Okay, this one is another. Okay, we can go to from here, new link PHP admin. Okay, I have Python advanced Python database here. Okay, first we want to go to migrate Python manage or py migrate. Okay, okay, everything is applying. Okay, okay, done. We have this much things. Now what we want to do is we want to give here import export here. Okay, import export, then we have already installed import export here. Okay, now what we want to do is make a model. Okay, make model profile, we have one profile model, then types, then students. I'm typing here firstly, copy pasting everything. Okay, now we have profile type, staff name, phone number, staff. Okay, we are going to import these two field, name and phone number. We have one test file here, pp.json. I have name Adil and phone number name Ayman, and phone number we want to put here, phone number, phone. Okay, we have phone, and now we want to save it. Okay, now what we have created one model, we want to migrate this one. Okay, Python manage py make migration. We want to make migration after this one, make migrations. Okay, we have created make migration. Now we want to migrate. Okay, now we have make migration here. We have this one. Okay, now we can see that we can refresh the table, then we can see the profile table here, my app profile here. Okay, it is the table here, my app profile here. Only I want to do one more thing here. What is that one is meta profiles. Then I want to, okay, we want to migrate one more time, make migrations, make migrate. Okay, I need the name, uh, I need the name what I expected. Okay, now we have profile here, profile and structure, everything is okay now. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to go to admin, and we want to import resources. We want to import our model, and we want to create one book resource. This is something like that, a profile resource. I am copying this from my documentation. Okay, and profile export, then book resource. Okay, this one we want to register the admin site. If we are not registering this one, we will not get anything. Okay, first we want to go run our server, python run server. server. We want to check it what is happening here now. Okay, we want to go to our local host admin. Okay, now we don't have username and password. First we want to create a super user. Control C, then create a super user. Create super user. Okay, I'm creating super user as admin. Now admin at what. Okay, password. Okay, we have successfully created that one. We want to log in here. What is happening? Okay, we want to run our server. This one. Okay, forward server. Okay, now group and user. We want profile here. Profile. We want to admin register. We have book admin. Book admin means we can rename this one to profile. Whatever it is, we want. If you want to look like that one, then I can do it like this. Profile. 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 Okay. Okay, now we want to run our server. Okay, now we want to refresh. Okay, we have profile here and import export here. Why we got import export? We have settings. Here import export we have already import export here. Now we will try to import that file. Which one? That pp.json. I have pp.json. This is JSON file. Okay, now we are going to submit. Okay, now we have get an error message, improperly configured, no exception message supplied. So what we will do? I have this error get me stuck with lots of hours, and I don't know how to solve it. So I searched lots of articles like Stack Overflow, and nothing is saying about this error. And after that, when I went to this Django GitHub issues, I got that one guy is saying that this is due to our database, something database error. So we want to put one command here, that is import export use transaction skill fast. Then we will recover this error. This and I have so lots of uh, uh, websites, and I spend lots of time for to get these solutions. This is the main solution here. I'm going to tell you. You want to use import export use transaction equal to fast. Then only you can avoid this error. Okay. Now we can again we go to back, then submit. See, now we can see our name and phone number here. We can confirm the import. Okay, now we have to data, the phone number and email phone number. Now that's all it. Okay, thank you. Okay, I have one more thing I want to say. I use here for advanced Python DB database and MySQL. I am running MySQL here. Okay, this and I have stored my database user password and username and password in env settings. So next time I will tell you how to do this one. Okay,